Again, folks, welcome back into the dungeon, and today, well, it's the same day actually, but it's this video number 2. The Noisy Reverb Part 2. So, I had the back off, there's the bottom of it over there, got the back off over here, slid out the old reverb tank bag, got the bag lying behind me over here, and lo and behold, I remove the Accutronics, nice big fat long spring reverb, and underneath it, what do we find? Nothing. No shielding. Nice big long antenna for noise and zero shielding. Wow, that's a big strong magnet. Oh, excuse me. Oh, come on. Go and sleep there. And underneath, inside the bag, supporting it, is a nice piece of meaningless cardboard. No shielding. And we ask ourselves why. So, more of my trusty aluminium tape. I'm going to layer this cardboard. In fact, I'm even thinking of going upstairs and getting a single sheet of aluminium foil paper. And I think that's what I'm going to do. And then we'll put it back. Right, folks, so there we have it. Nice metal foil covered piece of cardboard that's going to go back into the bag, and then the reverb unit will be on it, and I'm going to have to find a way to ground that, because this doesn't ground through these grommets here, and that's kind of interesting. As far as I remember, on the old Fender units, this is where the mounting actually takes place, on the old deluxe reverbs and so on, and not just with the bag lying there willy-nilly. Lots of looseness going on there. So it'd be interesting. Actually, maybe what I could do right now is just lay it in there and do an A-B, like switch it on. Ah, hell, I turned off the standby instead of the power. Anyway. Crank up the reverb. You listen. Okay. Standby off. Hold on. Okay, folks, I've had to make a little plan here. I ended up, you can see the tubes, maybe you can see the rack of tubes over there. I ended up replacing one of the tubes that was a bit suspect. But you've got to hear this thing now. Now, I'm in my basement, which is noisy, so, and I've got single coils, but listen to this beast. Monster. Okay, now I've turned off the reverb, and the reverb I can bring it up. So the alleged groove tubes in this amp were not very groovy. The 1287 was extremely microphonic. No, not the 1287, the AX7. The amplifier post reverb tank. So I put the reverb tank back in. I actually spun it around so that the connectors are on this side over here, and they were originally inside closer to the speaker, and for whatever reason made it sound less noisy. So I'm going to close it up now and start enjoying my amp. So thanks for watching again, and I hope to see you somewhere out there once we get all better from the coronavirus. Enjoy it, guys. Bye. Hope that switched off.